Got a bit of a breeze here at the beach. Not gonna stop my little M1. Look at this thing. Loves it. And we're on the low settings. Wow. This thing's loving it. It is the 4th of July, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful day. Pretty quiet down here at the beach, California. Malibu area. Got the Santa Monica Mountains up there. As we fly the little M1 around, enjoying the remote control helicopter vibe. This is a great heli. OMP HoBBY, the M1. I've had a few. I've had, T-Rex 450s, Gowie X3s. Here comes a car. I'm getting it out of the way now. Gotta go up high. Bring it down low. We got people coming up. Better just land this thing while I can. Bring it over here. Set it down. Perfect.